Hi everyone, welcome to the Blake and Grant channel, and today we're doing a throwback video. We are going to be playing with some Mario Kart Connects. Let's get started. We got the Toad Sidestepper Challenge building set. We have the Mario Kart Wii track expansion pack. I think we have a couple of these. And then we have the Mario and Donkey Kong Circuit Start Line building set. So, we are going to combine all of these sets to make one ginormous Mario Kart Connects set. So let's do that with our creativity and imagination. Here is my custom track all built together. Here is a Mario Kart Connects track, all built together. Now, without further ado, let's go! Thank you for watching today's video. We will see you soon. Bye.